Hi guys, so ngayon gagawin ko yung trend na wow okay, na may supportive, disappointed, yung dalawa, sarcastic, tsaka isa, ano nga, wait, ayun, supportive, disappointed, sarcastic, and flirty. O, na ngayon, start tayo sa may supportive. Nakakahiya pala to. Wait lang. Wow! Okay! Supportive. Next is disappointed. Ano ba ma-disappoint? Wow. Okay. Hindi. Parang meron pa ibibigay yun. Isa pa. Wait lang. Wow. Okay. Disappointed yun. Next, sarcastic. Wait. Wow! Okay. Sarcastic. Isa pa. Parang meron pa eh. Wow! Okay. Sarcastic ka ba? Last, flirty. Hindi ko alam paano to. Paano yun? Wow. Okay. Flirty, pero parang masaya. Bye. Wait, ang ganda ko. Good morning. Welcome to the Philippines.